Thanks for tuning in.
For those who are just joining us, we're a pretty average couple who decided to make travel and adventure a way of life.
A couple of years ago, we took the next step and made a boat our home so we could bring our creatures and comforts along for the ride.
Together we sail the seas, trek the globe, or even just take a drive, as long as it's somewhere new. I guess I'm just going to start every video now with a sunrise, because why not? I've seen enough of them at this point on the trip. Our experience on the Florida ICW can pretty thoroughly be summed up with these three things: sunrises, conspicuous consumption, and bridges. Oh, so many bridges. Most of our energy on this part of the trip was spent thinking about bridges and pushing our engines to the max, trying to make a bridge opening, and then inevitably missing it, and then waiting for half an hour for the next bridge opening. Because there's not a single bridge in southern Florida that is more than 40 feet tall. Raise that bridge! By the time we got to Fort Lauderdale, we were all a little crazy. That's just a crack in the water.
Yeah, there's nothing there. That's weird, Erica.
I don't know.
Are you getting video of it?
Yes.
That is some glitch in the Matrix shit right there.
Like it is, and it
Like even with the water.
even with the ripples. What is it? We tested, it's not a fishing line. It's such a sharp division. These guys probably had something to do with it.
Mile after arduous mile, we forged ahead, heedless of our own discomfort. But in the end, it was worth it.
We have officially found the warm. Look at that. No shirt on. Shirt on. That's for the best. Soon though, bathing suit top. It was supposed to be cold this morning. I'm glad it wasn't. It was supposed to be raining all day. Obviously not. We made really good time. We're in Fort Lauderdale. We're about to jump out, head straight to Biscayne Bay, clear water, jet ski, wildlife, snorkeling, kayaking, and yeah, living the life. Jungle, jungle. You know you're in Florida when the nature looks like it could have a dinosaur inside it. We anchored in a little spot called Sunrise Bay, which is right across from a park that lets directly out onto a beach. We just couldn't resist it. The temperature was so pleasant, we didn't even care that it looked like we were probably going to get drenched. We went immediately to the beach, did not pass go, and did not collect our $200.
warm, it's beautiful, it's clear. I love it.
So one of the other things that we're learning is that it is hard to keep fresh foods, fresh vegetables in rotation on the boat. So we're eating so many more starches and carbs. Recently, we've just been spending a little bit more money than we need to going out because I am especially just desperate for salads. Which has obviously a financial downside, but then we also get to explore some really cool places like this. Sitting out under the banyan trees in Florida.
Listening to some live music played to us specifically.
Having a nice which beer and a nice tea. We're gonna get a good salad, some fiber. 4:12, it's salad time.
Salad time.
So I don't know if you can hear this or not, but there's a fish, I think, making this really loud, grunting, bassy noise. And it's been going on all evening. I can feel it through the hull. That's gonna go on all night. That's gonna go on all night. I hope you can hear this. Alright, what are we doing?
Going shopping?
Going shopping? We got a trusty buggy.
Trusty buggy?
Yeah. Going to Best Buy.
Yeah.
Going to Publix.
Yeah.
Hi, tiniest lizard. You're so cute.
Iguanas and you're aquatic and
This is 5:45 a.m. Erica. We are up and going before the sunrise because we're leaving Fort Lauderdale. We're sailing, hopefully sailing, down to Biscayne Bay. And the best way that we've heard to do that is to leave with the high tide and get in with the high tide, just to avoid any possible sandbars or shoals or, you know, just generally getting stuck in the mud. What'd you throw? Okay. Where were we? We have to leave on the high tide, and then we like to try to time it so that we're getting in on the high tide, which means a super early day. You want to be in the video, Bill?
a super early day. We've only got one more bridge to go out of all of these bridges for, like, this is just the past few days. But one more before we're out in the ocean, out of the ICW. And on our way to the actual keys, the clear water, the warm, the dolphins and sea turtles and swimming and all of that. Yeah. I would be excited except for it's 5:45.
The bridge operator woke up at 6 a.m., not a minute before. He led us through the last bridge, and now there was nothing but ocean between us and Biscayne Bay. Catch our next video where things get real tropical real fast.